Hi, what's up? I'm Fat Papa. Today, you see me, that means I'm going to unbox something good again. What is that? Fried rice. Let us begin. If this is your first time watching my video, I'm Fat Papa. I always do the cooking recipe and unbox the new product and new food. Before we start, give me a like, subscribe my channel, click the bell, and share my video. Okay, let us back to the topic. Today, I want to show you the fried rice that I got from Costco. If only unbox this may not be that excited or you won't know much different. Of course, for Chinese food, for fried rice, let me get the Panda Express. Compare with this one. Let me show you what's the difference and why I want to introduce you this new product I found on Costco. They've been in Costco for a while, just like before I didn't pay attention until they are on promotion. I'm in North California, so if your area not on sale yet, and then next time you see this, try to get it. If you like fried rice, get it. What they are is they are frozen fried rice. And then one pack, $14, you get 6 individual bags. They are not really big. Like this bag, I cook it, but it's this bag, you will get 6 of it. And you may ask me why you will get that instead of the Panda Express or some other Chinese food. Let's say the Panda Express, this medium size is almost same size as this one. And this is like the veggie one. This has a little bit shrimp inside. This one about $2 something. This one $3.30. But if you get this one, I would recommend you get the large one. The large one is $4.40. $1 more, much bigger. But anyway, that is not I want to say. Is like I want to show you like this one. You just cut the corner, put in the microwave 3 minutes, and then done. You just wait another minute. You cut open it. That's it. See, you got the fried rice. I will tell you what's good and bad. But before that, Panda Express is not 24 hours. This one in your freezer is 24/7. Anytime you want it, you can have it. If you tell me to get $2 something for an instant noodle, I will probably get the rice. I will be more full with the rice. Of course, they are different. Like noodle soup, you can have some soup. But sometimes if you want fried rice, of course, like fried rice, the best in America, I eat those is like fried rice with soy sauce and hot sauce. That's the best match I have. Fried rice and chow mein is my friend for 3 years when I'm in boarding school in my high school years. So I eat a lot of them because at that time I boarding, a lot of the meal they make is Mexican food. I'm not saying Mexican food is not good, but when someone just came here like almost 30 years ago, when you first try something really different, you don't get used to it. If you have chance to order some fried rice or chow mein, that is pretty good. Even I'm from Hong Kong, but like fried rice and chow mein is really common. How it is, they have some small shrimp. Taste is okay. It's not like really big. And then how it tastes, I unbox to you. Definitely they are good. If not good, why I will make a video. I don't want you guys to unlike my video. Like everyone unlike, I don't want it. But are they just good? They have like the bad thing is that because they are microwave and they freeze. So after they make, if you use the microwave, they will be kind of wet. A little bit wet. If you want to take really the best way, they tell you to pan fry it. They did here is like to pan fry, like, and then you just like pan fry that. So if you pan fry it, put a little bit oil, and then like after you pan fry the water with fried rice, and then you're more good and look more like the fried rice. Now it's like kind of wet rice, but they have like some veggies, some beans, like arrows, everything in there. Taste is not bad at all. If you ask me. But they have shrimp and they have other ingredients, I will say they are not bad than Panda Express. So how is Panda Express? As usual, they are not bad, but they don't have anything, like they don't have the shrimp, and then they have less veggie in there. They may have some bean, and then carrot, and then egg, green onion, that's it. More dry. They won't be that seasoning. This one, the one from Costco, they season more. So you will feel a little bit salty than like the Panda Express. The good thing is that you can just eat that. Panda Express fried rice is designed with their entry. So they are not like designed for you to just eat fried rice. But this one is like middle of the night, you want fried rice, or at home you just cooking, not enough fried rice, or you buy the Panda Express, not enough fried rice. Microwave 1 or 2, it will be enough, and not bad too. I don't want to say, first, I didn't get any advertisement or sponsor from them. I just eat them, I like them, so I introduce them to you. If you ask me, of course, Panda Express is good, but they are not 24/7. And beside that, this one is worth a try and worth to buy. It's easy. You cut the corner, put in microwave 3 minutes, no skill at all. And you can eat it or sometimes you don't want to buy Panda Express because you buy fried rice and probably you might need to get entry, or you need to drive out or ask them, some people to deliver it to you, pay the fees, and you just want some fried rice. And if you have family, you have party, you have you want a good dinner, the entry, with few dishes with the fried rice or chow mein, then of course Panda Express. So they are different food. But I want to show you is, even though I eat them, it won't be worse than the Panda Express. The difference is if that one, probably I won't get the entry or the other stuff because it's already seasoned well. Panda Express, they don't really season it because, like I say, they want you to go with the entry. They add their meat, their veggie, and then eat together to get the best flavor with the Chinese food. It depends on you, but if you ask me, buy it, put 6-pack in your freezer anytime, who knows? You might want it, right? Besides this, and then Panda Express, where you get the Chinese food offer, in local Chinese food restaurant, or you cook by yourself, leave in the comment, let me know. So I hope you will like my video, and you like this new product I introduced to you. And then if you like, give me a like, subscribe my channel, click the bell, and share my video. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.